Good morning students. Fundamentals of Information Technology November 2014 உடைய யூனிவர்சிட்டி அண்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். பார்ட் சி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ். Explain about application of computer in healthcare sector. Computers are everywhere. Doctors use computers to record progress notes. Nurses use computer to transmit order to other department and in patient care. Paramedics used computer to order medication and view patient profile. For the most part, all healthcare workers use computers. Second one is information system. Accounting, save time and money. Scheduling, appointments. Monitoring, blood pressure, heartbeat. Databases. A database is an organized collection of information. Information entered in areas called fields. Extensive use of database in biotech. Third one is confidentiality. Confidentiality of patient information must be strictly enforced. Access codes and passwords are used. Only authorized workers have access to patient information. Confidentiality in the principle in medical ethics that the information of patient reveals to a health care provider is private and its limits on the how and when it dissolves off to a third party. Fourth one is medical laboratory. Computers used to analyze DNA, blood, urine. Urine used to test of disease and genetics disorders. Can run as many 500 specimens per hour. Fifth one is electrodiagram, EKG or ECG. Computer provides a printout of electrical activity of patient's heart. Computers can also read the EKG, tell the reader what the EKG means. This used to be done by the doctor. An EKG can be done in remote location and sent to a doctor thousands of miles away. Echocardiogram. Computer directs sound waves into the heart, then converts the reflection of the waves into an image of the heart, used to reveal heart problems, valve problems, defects in the heart wall, etc. Computerized tomography, CT. It is a computerized body scanner, show cross sections views, allows us to bone and body tissues, help us find donors. Seventh one is magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. It's body scanner that uses nuclear magnets instead of X-ray. Patient is placed in large circular magnet that measures the activity of hydrogen ions and converts it into a picture. Can see Turner's blood moving through veins. Eighth one, ultrasonography. Uses high frequency sound waves. Body parts are viewed on a computer screen and printed on photo paper used during pregnancy. Ninth one, telemedicine. Includes remote monitoring devices and video conferencing used to connect specialists to patients in remote location. Can transmit transformation from presence on ambulance and other challenging location. Families can watch the cause or care of high-risk newborns who are still in the hospitals. 10th one, bioinformatics. The use of computer to store, retrieve, analyze or predict the composition or the structure of biomolecules. Biomolecules include your genetic material, nucleic acids and the product of your genes, proteins. Human Genome Project. Computers play an important role in the Human Genome Project. The goals of the Human Genome Project are identify all the approximate 30,000 genes in human DNA, determine the sequence of the 3 billion chemical base pairs that make beyond human DNA, store the information in databases, improve tools for data analysis. Computer in biotech. IBM is working on a supercomputer called Blue Gene, which may decipher some of the mystery behind how proteins work. Computational biology or bioinformatics can collect information without having to do the experiment. This could make easier to design drugs because we can make reasonable predictions of the structure with a computer. Bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is coined by the new field that merges biology, computer science and information technology to manage and analyze data with the ultimate goal of the understanding and modeling living systems. These are the applications for healthcare sector. Second one is explain the classification of computer software. Types of software. When a computer is first turned on or booted up, it responds to its BIOS, basic input and output system, located on a ROM, read-only memory chip. The BIOS directs the computer to look to a specific locations where special boot files can be found. Auto execute files but and the configuration systems are two examples of these boot files. Once they are found, the computer will follow the instruction contained therein. One of the instruction is to start the system software. There are two basic types of software related to the operation of computer: system software and one is application software. System software manages the operations of and the information flow through all of the computer hardware devices: input, processing, storage and output. Application software perform a collection of related but specific tasks. In other words, it is designed for a specific purpose. System software. There are two types of system software. Operating system. This includes the routine operations of a computer system such as file management, printing, input and storage. The most widely used OS for personal computer is the Windows operating system. Apple computer use the Mac OS line of operating system. There are other lesser known as OS Linux, Unix, Linux. Second one is utility software. This type of system software helps maintain the health of your computer system and diagnose many problems. File, window explorer, disk file scan and disk defragmentor and memory management are all functions of utility software. Other types of utility software may be installed on your computer to perform specific tasks such as virus protections, spyware protections and file compressions, zip files. Application software. Application software is designed to perform a specific operations or task. By definition, an application is a program that runs on a computer. Applications require an operating system before they will work. There are thousands of examples of application software. First one is word processing, able to manipulate and format text or character information. Examples include WordPerfect, Microsoft Word and Star Office Write. Spreadsheet, work with numbers, formulas, functions and charts. Examples include Excel, Lotus 123, Photo Pro and Star Office Calculation. Third one is database, able to organize and report on a large amount of data. Examples include Access, FileMaker, Pro and Oracle. Graphics, there are two basic types: those used for drawing, Paint and CorelDRAW, and those used for photo enhancement, Photoshop, Fireworks, PhotoPoint. We also include in this category those programs that helps to create and 2 or 3 animational, Flash, 3D Studios, electronic presentations. Create presentation using a variety of media: text, graphics, sound, video, etc. Examples include PowerPoint presentation and Star Office Impress. Next one is communications. Allow one computer to connect to another for information and file transfer. Examples include dial-up networking, network software, email, chat and instant messaging. Next one is browser. Interpret certain information, HTML, Java, Flash, sent and received via the internet. Examples include Mozilla, Internet Explorer and Netscape. Games, you may know this kind of software with examples, no doubt. Integrated software package, also known as SIDS. There are number of application programs bundled together into the one package. Examples include Microsoft Office, WordPerfect Suites and Lotus Notes. Third one, advantage of the statistical package in the field of research. What is the statistical software? Statistical software are specified computer programs for statistical analysis. Open source statistical packages, public domain statistical packages, freeware statistical packages. Property of statistical packages. Open source statistical packages ADMB, a software for nonlinear statistical modeling based on the C++. DAP, a free replacement for SAS. FITYK, nonlinear regression software. OpenEPI, a web-based open source operating independent series of programs for use in epidemiology and statistics. SCIPY, stats models, regression, plotting, examples, databases, GLM, time series analysis, non-parametric statistics. PSPP, a free software alternative to IBM SPSS statistics, or a free implementation of the S language. Public domain statistical packages: CS Pro, EPA information, X12 ARIMA. CS Pro, developed by US Census Bureau and ICF International, used for entering, editing, tabulating, mapping, and dispensing census and survey data. EPA information, public domain statistical software for epidemiology, developed by Centers for Disease Control Preventions. Third one is X12 ARIMA, developed by US Census Bureau, software package for sensational adjustment. Statistical software, freeware statistical packages: WinBugs, WinPP. WinBugs, bias analysis using Markov chain Monte Carlo methods. WinPP, package of statistical programs for epidemiologists. Statistical software, property of statistical package: GraphFed Instat, very simple with lots of guidance and explanations. GraphFed Prism, biostatistics and nonlinear regression with clear explanations. IBM SPSS statistics, comprehensive statistical packages. IBM SPSS modulator, comprehensive data mining and text analysis workbench. MATLAB, programming language with statistical features. SAS, comprehensive statistical packages. SPSS, statistical packages for the social sciences. STARS Direct, statistics package designed for biomedical, public health, and general health science users. Statistical software, Microsoft Excel add-ons: Analyze-It, Number Excel, Regression-It, SciMSL, SPS Excel, StatSelfer. Add-on Microsoft Excel for statistical analysis. NUM, Number Excel, add-on Microsoft Excel for general statistics and econometrics. Regressionist, add-on to Microsoft Excel, multi-array data analysis and linear regression. Sigma Excel, add-on to Microsoft Excel for statistical and graphical analysis. SPC Excel, add-on to Microsoft Excel for general statistics. Statistical software, most commonly used software in the field of pharmacy: SAS, SPSS, GraphPad Instat, GraphPad Prism. Statistical software, SPSS, statistical package for the social sciences. Current version IBM SPSS statistics, latest version 24. Methods: descriptive statistics, bitvariant statistics, predictions and numerical outcomes, predict and identifying groups. SPSS statistics, desktop platforms, Linux, Mac, OS, Windows. This diagram is statistical software. Statistical software example of this diagram. Statistical software system is developed by North Carolina State University in 1966. SAS provides graphical point-and-click user interface and non-technical user and more advanced options through SAS programming languages. The data step has two phases: compilation and execution. The SAS software suite more than 200 components include base SAS, base stat, base graph, OR, ETS, Qs, HSV. These examples of the GraphPad system. Software for power and sample size calculation. PAS software, PS, power and sample size calculations. Software for parametric analysis, GraphPad Stat, not having analytical feature for analysis of two-way ANOVA. GraphPad Prism, IBM SPS Statistics, SAS, Stats Direct, MATLAB. Software for non-parametric analysis, GraphPad Instat, GraphPad Prism, IBM Spat Statistics, SAS, StatSets are softwares. software for non-parametric analysis models and methods, descriptive statistics models and informations and statistical tests. Methods வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Kruskal's man, Singles, Sparman, Wilcon, Kalfan, test. Kruskal's, this is all the statistical package of the advantages. Is explain the classification of computer. Classification of computer gives to purpose, data handling, functionality. Purpose two types, general and specific. Data handling gives to analog, digital, hybrid. Functionality gives to micro, mini, mainframe, supercomputer. Micro means desktop and portable. The first one is classification of computer according to purpose. General purpose of computer, designed to perform a range of tasks. Ability to store numerous programs, used for various applications ranging from scientific to business purpose. Versatile but lack on speed and efficiency. Example, computer used in school and home. Specific purpose computer, designed to handle specific problem or perform specific task. A set of instructions is built into the machine for the specific task. Cannot be used for other applications unless its circuits are redesigned. Lacked in styles but can provide results very quickly and efficiently. Examples, computers used for airline reservations, satellite tracking, on air traffic control. Second one is classification according to type of data handling techniques. First one is analog computer. Work on the principles of measuring in which the measurement obtained are translated. Do not directly deals with numbers, measures, continuous physical magnitude, temperature, pressure, voltage. These computers are very fast in operation but lack in accuracy. Example, analog computer in petrol pump that converts flow of petrol into quantity and price. Second one is a digital computer. Operates with information represented in digital form. Process data, text, sound, graphics, video into a digital value 0 and 1. Analog quantities must be converted into digital before processing. In this case, output is also digital, but if desired can be converted into analog quantity. Accuracy of these computers depend upon size, the registers and memory. Example, desktop PC. Third one is hybrid computer. Incorporated the measure features of analog computer and counting features of digital computer. These computers use the analog components for computational purpose, and to store the immediate result it uses digital memories. The hybrid computer uses the converter digital to analog and vice versa in order to bind the powers of digital and analog techniques used for scientific applications, various fields of engineering, industrial control processes. Classification according to functionality based on size, performance and application area. Microcomputer, small and low cost digital computer, usually consists of a microprocessor, a storage unit and output channel. Example, IBM PC, Apple, etc. Desktop, most common microcomputer consists of system unit, monitor, keyboard, hard disk and other peripheral devices. Classification according to the functionality. Second one is laptop, handheld computers, portable computer enclosing all the basic features of a normal desktop computer. The biggest advantage is that one carry out and use the computer hardware anywhere. Laptops do not any external power supply. Handheld computers, PDA, is a computer that can easily stored in the packet. It generally uses a pen or electronic stylus as input devices. Usually have no disk drive. It uses small card to store program and data. Second one is mini computer, small digital computer which normally able to process and store more data than microcomputer. Size of mini computer is bigger than microcomputer, designed to meet computing needs of small and medium sizes business environment. Support 4 to 200 users simultaneously. Example, PDF 11, IBM 800 series. Third one is mainframe computer, ultra high performance computer made for complex computing. It consists of high-end computer processor with related peripheral devices capable of supporting large volume of data processing, high performance online transaction processing system and extensive data storage and retrieval. It is designed to perform faster and store more data than mini computer. Usually execute many programs simultaneously with high speed. Allow user to maintain large information storage at a centralized locations and be able to access and process this data from different computers located at different location, typically used for large business and scientific purpose. Example: IBM ES 000 VX 800 CDC 6600. Last one is supercomputer, special purpose of machines which are specially designed to maximize the efficiency. A supercomputer has the highest computing speed for solving scientific and engineering problems. It contains number of CPU that operate in parallel to make it faster. It can process large amount of information and make extensive calculations quickly. Supercomputer are fastest, fastest and most powerful computers available today. Explain the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word 2010 is the word processing component of the Microsoft Office suite. It is used primarily to enter, edit, format, save, retrieve, and print documents. Software is that is designed for the entry, editing, and printing document. Word processing documents include letters, memo, faxes, mail merges, reports, one-page players, emails, text area. This called file is new document. Open the new document is enter the letterbed. It will also use on the save buttons. The area outlines in red is called the title bar. It displays the names of the open program, in this case Microsoft Word, and the name of the current file. The file has not been saved to the name is document1. File created Microsoft Word are often referred to as documents and have the file extension .doc or .docx. The area outline in red contains the minimize, maximize and restore and close buttons for the program window. When you click the minimize button, the program becomes a button on the Windows taskbar located at the bottom of the screen. If you have multiple files from the same program open, you will need to select one you want to store reactive data. Next one is when you click the close button, the program will ask you if you want to save the changes. If you have made any changes, once you have responded to this question, the program will leave close. The area outlined there is called Quick Access Toolbar. It contains the most commonly used commands in the Microsoft Word: save, undo, repeat. Saving the Word document, just press Ctrl S key to save the changes. Opening a new Word document, click the File tab and select New Options. When you select New Option from the first column, it will display list template in second column. Just double click on the black document. Opening a existing document, click the File tab and select Open Action. This will display following open dialog box, which lets you navigate through different file folders and lets you select which you want to open. After selecting your file, you can use further options given. Viewing document, print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline, draft. These are type spell check. A red underline breaks spelling errors. A green underline beneath grammar errors. A blue line under correctly spelled out misused words. Formatting pages, topics covered, just margins, header and footer, page number, page break, blank page, cover page. Page margins, and to select the page layout web, click the margins command. A menu options appears. A normal is to use column margins from the page layout and click margins. Header and footer. Header and footers are part of the document that contain special information such as page number and the total number of pages, document title, company logo, any photos, etc. The header appears top of the every page and the footer appears in the bottom of the page. Page number. Microsoft Word automatically assign page number on pages of a document. Typically, page numbers are printed either in header or footer, but you have options can display the page numbers in the left or right margins, in the top or bottom of the page. Page breaks. Microsoft Word automatically starts a new page when the current page becomes filled with text, but you can insert a page break to force Word to start text on a new page. You insert a page break using either the mouse or the cover page. Come, first page include the document's title, its subject, author, and publisher name, etc. And is usually called cover page. And Microsoft Word provides two easy way to add cover page. Click the Insert tab and click Cover Page button available in the page group. This will display a list built in the cover pages as show. Remove current cover page options and your cover page will delete it from your document. Page orientations. Page orientations is useful when you print your pages. By default, Microsoft Word shows page in is portrait orientations, and in this case, page less than page height and page will be 5 inches into 11 inches. You can change the page orientation portrait to landscape orientation, in which case page with more than page height and page will 11 inches into 8.5 inches. Working with the tables, topics covered, create table, adding row and column table, merge cells, split a table, split a cell, table style. Creating a table. A table is a grid of cells arranged rows and columns. Tables can be covered into the customized and are used various tasks. To create a blank table, please for your instructions point into the document where the your table to appear after select the insert table. Adding row and column, number of rows and number of columns you will add. Merge table cells. Microsoft Word allows merging two or more cells to create one large cells. You would frequently use two more columns of the row and create a file of the tables. Split table. Microsoft Word allows splitting table into multiple tables. Single operation can divide it into table into two tables. Bring your mouse pointer position anywhere in the row should appear as first row new table after splitting. Split a cell. Microsoft Word allows splitting a cell into multiple cells. Bring your mouse pointer position inside a cell that you want to divide into multiple cells. Now click the layout tab and then click split cells buttons. Table style. Click anywhere on the table. The design tab will appear the ribbon. Select the design and locate the table styles. To change the style option from the design tab, check or uncheck desired option table size options group. To add borders from the design tab, select the desired line style, line weight, fine color.